Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Like always, before I start the video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Today we will be looking at all the indices. We'll be looking at the SPX, at the NASDAQ, at the US30, maybe Apple, and some other stocks. But today, very, very simple range. I don't think it's going to be too tough of a TA today. We actually do have a pretty nice market structure at 415, 416, this little support here. I think it's not going to hold up. I think we've already hit the top, and I think we're coming down all the way to possibly 411, 410 sometime this week. You do have the hour going on. You actually broke these lows right now in all ranges, so you're probably coming back down to maybe this 4015, 416 area. And I do think that because we have the 4 hour that already closed bearish on the indicators, you are headed down all the way back to the low range of 411, 412. But because we are going to be going all the way back down to 411, 412, that is going to activate the 8 hour trigger, more than likely sometime today, which will take us back all the way down to 405. So as of right now, I am extremely bearish. This is a range right now that I would be adding a bunch of shorts, but I am actually on margin right now, so I can't even add anything. So I'm just kind of holding my position. But yeah, I'm 100% shorting everything. I think we've started our fall back to 405. If we look at the NASDAQ, well, actually, we're going to look at Bitcoin. It's fine. Bitcoin had a massive dump. I've been telling you guys, I still think we're going to retest like 10K, 15K, somewhere around that range. You're going to close a bear day today. I don't really need to, say too much about that. That's extremely bearish. You're already on a bear weekly cycle. This whole range here, this whole top range, everybody should be shorting Bitcoin all the way back down to at least like a 22K. I think we're going back down to 22K on Bitcoin, minimum. We can go on the NASDAQ, 100, right? You guys want to see my Forex account? I'm only going to do this once, right? Look at that. That's where I got margin on something else actually. my account was at 750 yesterday, so that means that I got margin because pretty sure we hit a high. So that kind of sucks. But I'm going to be holding for a while because, like I said, I think we're going down. On the NASDAQ, you did break trend, which is pretty crazy. And I think this is all pre-market too. You actually broke trend pre-market. So what I'm looking at here can possibly happen, which is absolutely nutty, is you actually come back, retest here, and then you just shoot up like that, which is ridiculous to me. I don't think that's going to happen because I do think the SPX is going to actually fall super hard. But the fact that it actually did this is like ridiculous, man. That's crazy. I mean, this is all bullish momentum, right? The fact that you're breaking this pre-market, this trend, I would 100% say, hey, you're gonna fucking go to 13.5 on the NASDAQ, right? That's what it looks like. But because the SPX is actually super, super bearish right now, I definitely would say, no, this is not going to break, and it's going to come right back down. So I'd probably say short this down to at least this area, like at 13.11 on the NASDAQ. And then from here, maybe look at some more longs. But for right now, I'm basically bearish on everything. And I have been for a while. US30, going to be closing. Yeah, same thing with the US30. Where's the daily on this? Yeah, you're still up there. You're wicking. You have your nice little trend here on the US30. Right? Trend's been going on ever since December, which is, again, pretty insane that you've actually started breaking above this. But if this actually comes right back down, right? This comes right back down, you're going to come right back to like 32.3 or something on, what's it called? On US30. But right now, again, you broke that range, which is insane. Like, you're breaking this range. And if you can just add a Darvis box, right? Darvis box is just the low to the high, right? Low to high range. And you haven't really moved. You hit this bear trigger here, right? You hit a bear trigger at essentially 1 in the afternoon, and you've just been trading sideways. Like, usually, this is extremely, extremely bullish, right? So if the US30 is doing this, like, man, just logically, when this trigger hits on the hour, like, you should lump the F out of this, right? And it seems like this is going to happen before, like, at 6:30 or by 6:30 when the market opens, which is insane. So, yeah, man, I mean, let's look at total. Total is actually the total market cap of crypto. Total looks like it's bouncing off. Oh, it's bouncing off 1.1. It's actually on market structure. There we go. So that's why it hasn't fallen, because it's been on market structure. It's on a fib level right now. That's why. That's why. It needs to break that. But again, on an uptrend, right? But I think ultimately this is gonna fall back to like a maybe like an 800 market cap, somewhere like around here, like a 775 market cap. Yeah, I think total's already. I think crypto's already made its run, but yeah. Oh, yo, also DXY on the weekly has a bullish trigger on the weekly, so I'm extremely bullish on the dollar, very bearish on everything else. And keep in mind, the last time we actually closed a bullish trigger, it was crazy because we actually just came straight down, right? We came straight down from 104.5, which is crazy. I've never seen the dollar actually move low downward like that on a bullish cycle, which is insane on the weekly. But again, last time we've had these triggers on the weekly, you tend to do some pretty gnarly moves. Or again, right? Bullish weekly trigger, you move from 89 bucks all the way to 92, right? Before that, January 4th, right? 89 to 93, so it's about a $4 move. But keep in mind, this last move right here from May was kind of insane. Like, you pushed up and you didn't stop going up for a very long time, right? This is on the weekly. So again, keep in mind, you can 100% move extremely hard, super hard. I'm expecting us to go back to somewhere like a 105.4, and if that happens, that's going to be extremely bad for the market. So that's my target for now, though. So I'll see you guys later. Everything looks extremely bearish right now, especially for the SPY or the SPX. I mean, if you guys want to short, great. You guys know that I'm extremely short, and I've been extremely short for a while, and I think we're gonna come back down all the way to like 385. That's my target right now. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye bye.